Yes. Good afternoon, good morning, good whatever you're experiencing at your neck of the wood. Actually, I'm looking at the Observer right now, the Jamaican Star right now, and it's found on the Instagram. The headline I'm looking at right now is a sex deal goes wrong. Somehow it appeared that this man went to buy some pum. Yes, from a prostitute. The prostitute claims that the money is not correct. So the man said, give him back the money. The prostitute back a gun and shot him in his skin, take away 85,000 from him. So he apparently run to the police. You can find it in the newspaper, in the Jamaican Star. I'm gonna give you the date set by prostitute. Dispute with her. Yeah, 40-year-old woman. So him go for buy sex for $5,000. The woman claims the money short. Now he asks back for the money, for his money. It's not clear right now whether or not he did actually get the service. The prostitute never hesitate, man, just back the gun and bust a shot. Run left everything, 85,000 gone. What that thing? So right now, every man buy pump right now, they girl have gun, you know, they girl have bad like hell. People better be careful. Man, it's a rubber beat, the man never gonna something, but right now, they better be careful, cause them your girl, yeah, Lord Almighty God, they gun and then change, we bust it too. So when you think you go buy pumps, you know, you have to go good. Cause to them girl, know say man rob them, you know. Sometimes, them girl decide to get some bad man friend and say, yo, hold this data. Anything you lick him with it heavy. Wow. Well, leave me some comment down in the comment section and let's just talk about this, cause people tell me what you think, whether or not you believe this thing should go so or shouldn't go so, or you believe prostitutes rather than gun to defend them in times of need when rebellious dirty man come to deal with them one way. Treat them like them and a woman. Talk to me in the comments, alright? Bless up.